Hey, it's Chime Time, and on today's episode of Chime Time, or Hoontron, whatever, we're discussing all these car mods that I have behind me, and how they've all come in the mail, and how we're doing modifications to the race car and stuff like that. So without further ado, here they are. We got a Sparco racing seat. I don't think they call them Evos anymore, but maybe it's called the Pro ADV. It's a Halo seat, so with these wraparound bolsters that you have over here, they keep your head from hitting the pavement when you flip your car, or worse, they keep your head from just simply hitting the, I guess, roll cage, which I don't have yet, but will be installed soon. Here's my phone with some important notes. We are doing a hydraulic e-brake, so this is kind of like the mount that you install to the floor of your vehicle, and then you have your upright hand holder. I guess it's just a metal pipe. This came from Villains, as you can see, and you got all the matching hardware. The only thing I do need with this, I think it's like a .62 master cylinder. Oh yeah, it's 3/8 fitting, so I need some 3/8 hose to go all the way back. That's fantastic. So I'm gonna have two e-brakes with this setup. I'm gonna have a regular parking brake, that factory parking brake that comes with the car, and then I'm gonna have this upright so that I could just yank it, lock up the rear wheels. Now to go with this, and Villains is here in the United States too. I had to go to Anderson Steel and Speed out of Sweden, so ASS, they Swedish. It's not like English, so they didn't think of that one through for the American market. But yeah, this is like well, I guess this is typical. This is a mounting plate. You got two holes up here in the front, and then two here on the bottom for your original factory e-brake, and then a second factory e-brake, which is tied to your hydro, and this one's tied to your regular parking brake. So I have two. They'll both be functional. I could still use this as a street car. I'm kind of building my car based off of like the premise that it's like a D1 street legal from like, I guess, like the late 90s, early 2000s with like Nomu Ken. I have that inspired. That's all the shipping information. And those of you who've been following my build, I had a weird locker installed, so I got some more red line so I could open up the diff, put the old spider gears back in and re-weld them, and of course matching gasket to go with it. I change them so frequently it doesn't matter if they're even damaged gaskets because they're never in there that long. Oh, and then lastly, let's flip back up. We've got Google Translation, because I got parts coming from Sweden, I got parts coming from Italy, and then I got parts coming in from the Netherlands, where they speak Dutch. So we have, the last thing I was sent from them was Vending verzonden naar land van bestemming, and in Google Translate that says shipment sent to destination country. So that was like 2 weeks ago or like 10 days ago. I'm not sweating it too much. This seat came from Italy, and during the time of this filming, we're going through this period in the world that most countries are involved in called the Big Sick, and Italy was hit hard by the Big Sick, and I didn't get the shipping information until 2 days after this thing was delivered. It took 2 months. Brand new seat. It's easier if you're going to buy this thing used, but I wanted some really good comfiness to the seat, so I opted for new. And yeah, that about does it. Sweden for some reason has the hookup. Oh, there's my mom in the background. I'm at her house, she's got a really nice place. But yeah, like the Swedish parts, for some reason they came in really quick. Maybe they air freighted it. The Netherlands parts are from Luca Car Mods in Holland, or Holland, Netherlands, they're the same country. They are maybe coming on a boat or something, or maybe customs is just slow with Holland. I don't know, but there you go. We're gonna get these modifications in. There's my family in the background. And I'm trying to think what else. Yeah, I'm gonna change some fuel lines. Got to redo my brake, battery tie down. Got to make that metal one. I passed tech last time. Not gonna pass again. They let me slide once with a rubber one, and that's about it. So everybody, thank you for watching. Chime time out.